Yo, what's up, producer? It's your boy Mikasa here. I hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm about to show you how you can improve with these 5 tricks your melodies, your loops, and how can you give like a more power to your beats, melodies, and stuff like that. So let's get started with the video. So as you can see, I got this loop here. I'm just going to do a little preview of this loop so you can see how we progress. This is only change. It sounds fire, melodic, vibe. So perfect. So the first thing I want to show you is how you can make like an underwater effect, but not without using EQ. So you click on the sample, right click here, open the audio editor, and it's gonna open Edison. So click here on the sample rate, right click here, and click maybe. So you choose now sample rate. The more you go down, it's gonna be like a more underwater. So maybe if you go like a 2K, and make sure you click resample, accept. I'm just gonna pause this. It's like an underwater effect, which is pretty fire. It's not like a EQ, but it can help you like make maybe something like a reverse melodies and stuff like that, loops like Drake and stuff. So this trick is really powerful. So for the next one, it's also cool. So for example, when you are bored with your current loop or stuff like that, so you can. So let me just preview this. Really simple piano melody. So if I click here and click flip, this is gonna be, they're gonna flip, and click flip horizontally and make sure you click preserve start times. Click accept. So we got this. Now we're going to quick render as audio clip what we just flipped. Drag into track, not this. And I'm gonna reverse this, and this can give your melodies really reverse fire stuff. Now with a couple of the effects, stuff like that, this can be really powerful. So maybe we can pitch it down or something like that. Just depends how you like it. So for the third trick that I want to show you is the most powerful trick. I mean, it's not like a big deal, but if you are struggling with making melodies and you don't know like any music theory and stuff like that, so you can make your chords with one click. So just click here, and as you can see, these melodic chords. So if I click minor 7 and I click here, just choose the key you wanna as you like, and just play it. I got G sharp minor 7th chord. Really simple. So maybe you can choose it like a 5th octave with a darker vibe. So this is really simple. So you just choose the chord and click here. Or if you wanna, you can use advanced chords, harder chords to master. Okay. You can also play with them, but for the beginning, you can just some of these. Okay. For the next trick I want to show is this. When you're like pitching your melodies, most people like go like for an octave, pitching for an octave up or down. But what I like to do is go maybe around 400 or 500. Just depends on the loop, and I'm going to pitch that loop between those numbers. So for example, I'll pitch this melody for maybe 4.26 cents. So I'm just going like between those numbers. So if I go do this, I'll get this vibe. This is the original one. So it's totally a different vibe and it sounds amazing. So for the last trick that you can do is add some extra sauce. I think we got this on the website. This is just random extra sauce. So what is this? So it's actually made from the drums and stuff like that. I can show you if you want in another video. It just sounds like this. Just some texture. It's just like a simple texture. But it's cool to add like these textures or stuff like that over your melodies. So let's hear how this will sound. So as you can see, I'll just pitched it down. So as you can see, it sounds fire. Maybe I can pitch it up. So maybe you can add this for your intro or something like that. You can even choose another exercise. I think you got this on the website, so you can check it out. So this is really a good trick. Maybe you don't have to add this, maybe add rain or something like that, add some noise, and it's gonna be much, much powerful. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you want something for me to make it, make sure you comment below, send me a message, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.